Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell digital products on eBay. Now, if you are wondering if you are allowed to sell digital products on eBay, the answer is yes, as long as you are listing it in the right category. There is nothing to worry about. Okay, now there are some sellers they sell like the digital items like Windows keys or downloadable files like eBooks or something like that, and they list the product in a wrong category like this: electronics and computers, tablets, software. This is against YouTube, like I'm sorry, this is against eBay policies. Okay, so this guy is not going to stay here for a very long time. I would say like maximum they will recognize this and they will like suspend the account. Okay, they will suspend the eBay account. Now the reason for this is like they have like the wrong category, and also if you can see here the shipping, it's like they are selling a physical product. Now they also offer here international shipping, and they will have to add the tracking number, but they are not going to be able to have tracking number, so you will have a lot of problems here. Now to sell digital products the right way, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here, it says sell. Okay, now as you can see, when I click here it says sell, and after that you want then to come like click on create a listing, click on single listing. Now after that, guys, you want to come up with a title for your digital item. So for example, I am going to sell an ebook for students, like something like this. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so after that you want to click on search here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and click continue without this. Okay, and then click on brand new. Okay, click continue listing. Now if you are selling like digital items that you can ship with a USB or DVD, then you can sell it without any problem, because you will sell a physical product. Okay, that's why you can add like a tracking number, and you can then have tracking number that the buyer can track the order, and also eBay knows when the item is delivered. Okay, so that way you don't really have any problem. But if you want to sell like a digital item that requires like shipping, requires like just sending the file to the buyer via like email or through eBay messages, then follow these exact steps. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to upload here the pictures, and if you scroll down here it says item category is where a lot of sellers make mistake here. Okay, so you want to click here on edit, and you want to select here the right category, which is like everything else. Okay, you want to search here for everything else, and I'm going to search I'm going to search for it right now. Okay, now I'm going to search for everything else. Okay, just scroll down, as you can see here, everything else, click on it, and then here you want to click on information products. Okay, so after that you want just to click on other information products, and you want to scroll down. Okay, after you select the category, you want to scroll down here where you can see the format, and make sure you select classified ad. Okay, don't select buy it now or action, because this is like a downloadable file that you will not ship this product to the customer. You are just going to send the email. Like you can just send, for example, if it's a Windows key that you are allowed to sell, you can just send that Windows key in the eBay messages. Okay, so you are also, when you select this format, which is classified ad, you are not required to ship the product. Okay, you are not required to add the tracking number, and also you are not going to be charged for like the fee of eBay. You are only going to be charged for listing fee, which is going to be $9. I know this is like a high price for like every month you are going to be charged $9. Okay, so after you select here classified ad, as you can see, the duration here is 30 days, or you can just until sold or 30 days. As you can see, when you select 30 days, you will pay $9, like I said, every month. Okay, so here you want to select your own location. Okay, and yeah, that's exactly how you can do this. You are not going to add now the shipping method, because when you select classified ad, you are not going to like select here the shipping method that you want to sell, that you want to ship the product with, because it's not a physical product anymore. Okay, but what if you want to break the rules, which is I don't really recommend it, because your account will get suspended. You are not going to pay that $9, and you are going to sell this in any category, which is like electronics or whatever, and your eBay will get suspended with like a few days. Okay, that's why we don't see these sellers with many feedbacks. They only like stay here for like 30 days, and then that's why if you search here for Windows key, for example, you will never see any seller with more than 100 feedbacks, because they don't stay that long. Like just a few days they get suspended. Like they receive an email from eBay stating that their account got suspended. Okay, so this is like the right way to sell a digital product. Now if you are going to like ship this via USB, so it's like you are selling, for example, a file that you can add to USB or DVD, then you can sell it. You can sell it by choosing here buy it now. Okay, if you select here buy it now, then like you will be charged final value, like the price. For example, it's like 30%. So each sale you will be charged 30%, just like you are selling at a physical product. That's the same fees. Okay, so that's exactly, you are not going to pay that $9 if you select here buy it now, because eBay doesn't see it anymore as a digital product. They see it now as a physical product, because you are going to provide tracking number for the product. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. I reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments. Keep in mind that the payment, when you select classified ad, like you cannot use eBay manage payments, like, or like for example, you will have to work this with the buyer in the eBay messages when you select classified ads. Okay, so they will ask you guys what payment method you accept, and then you can choose with what payment method you want to use to receive the payment, for example PayPal or whatever. Okay, so that's exactly how this works. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Drop a like, and see you guys next video.